Hello, Namaskaram, and Yong. Welcome to Coffee and Convo. Another episode, another journey. Coffee and Convo is your space where you find yourself through words. And today we have a hyperly active, awesomely creative, and superbly fun loving guest with us. We share a bonding which started with hi, and now hey, Mama. So, yeah, let's welcome Padma for today's Coffee and Convo. I'm Yash.
And I'm Vidya. Let the talks begin.
Coffee and Convo, where the conversations get alive.
Hey Paddu. So this
Hi.
is so great to have you with us. We realize how stressful these corporate jobs are like, but don't worry, we got you covered. And surely you won't be disappointed. So Paddu, listeners would like to hear more about you. So why don't you introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi, Anyong. I'm Padma Bodagala. Uh, I'm the most weirdest one, dreams in fantasies and finds tranquility within, and has an inbuilt version of psycho madness. And very obsessed over Harry Potter, as I'm a big Potterhead. And also, I'm an army, the biggest fandom of BTS. I think we
Hmm.
all know the BTS, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
BTS.
By
Yeah,
the
Baddu.
way, first of all, I'd like to congrats the team Coffee and Convo for your new start. And it's a great idea to have conversation with our friends and sharing our thoughts and making it more memorable. So that's the important thing I've noticed in this Coffee and Convo. So a big congrats to your team.
Oh, well, that means a lot. Thank you, Padu, so much. That's a really special compliment, I would believe.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Padu, let's enter the world of conversations. I believe fantasy is hardly an escape from reality. It's actually the way of understanding it. And someone who is imaginative and who is having that kind of approach can only create new kind of worlds, new kind of people around him, new kind of like the environment around him. So, what's been your biggest fantasy or dream which you believe you can turn into reality, or like something which you have already achieved it, or you can say that you have already uh, been through that the journey from dream to reality.
Okay, so we all know that fantasies like uh, మనం అనుకోలేనిది జరగాలనుకున్నదే ఫ్యాంటసీ కదా.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I do dream about the fantasies all the time, and I'm a fantasy lover, and till now I haven't any dream about fantasy to get into reality. So I thought of having a Hogwarts world.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the magical powers within you, and I think అది మనం రియాలిటీలోకి చేంజ్ చేయలేము.
I think the aspect which they brought was very much new in the Harry Potter series.
Yeah, yeah.
Aspect చాలా బాగా కనెక్ట్ చేసింది మన చైల్డ్హుడ్ టైంలో, అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్
Yeah,
ఏ కైండ్.
ఇప్పటికీ మేము హ్యారీ పాటర్ చూసామంటే నేను మా చెల్లి విల్ బి లైక్ randomly speaking of those spells and all. So yeah, I really get connected to Harry Potter. Like that's very common between you and me, Paddu.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's quite impactful actually. So now I can't resist asking you this. So being a fan means dedicating a part of our heart and soul. So I see a lot of people becoming K-drama and BTS supporters. Like అసలు నన్ను అడిగితే world is like divided into two groups, one who love BTS and one who hate BTS.
Yeah,
So
yes,
now,
exactly.
yeah. So what's truly magical about them, and what's your experience with it, and how do you stand by all those negativity? ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తారు basically?
సో ఇప్పుడు ఒక BTS fan అంటే they had a different impact. Like those are like girls, they look like girls and they sing, they wear a makeup. So a different negative impact పడిపోయింది కొరియన్ మీద. And when I used to watch K-dramas, I became fan to their actors and their tradition. And after becoming an army to BTS, I've learned a lot from them because they had a lot of hate all over the world. So they were just trying to come up with the new ideas. So like when I first heard about BTS, I too thought that, oh, there was a band like BTS in Korea. So I don't have any idea about BTS previously. So when I heard when they released their first single Dynamite, first English single
Yeah,
Dynamite.
Dynamite.
Yeah. After hearing that song, I just became an army. So like
Okay.
negative people ni kuda positive ka change chese attitude. I can see that in BTS songs. And you know
That's
we have all the negative thoughts and negative impressions about BTS, like, oh, you girls are following your BTS, those female looking guys. So I just stopped thinking about those negative thoughts. Like they were
okay.
getting popular in their own mind, in their own world. సో వాళ్ళే వాళ్ళ నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్ అన్ని వదిలేసి వాళ్ళు పాజిటివ్ గా గ్రోత్ అవుతుంటే మనం ఎందుకు కొట్టుకోవాలి నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్ తో? సో జస్ట్ లివ్ దోస్ నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్ అండ్ బికమ్ హార్డ్ స్టాన్ ఆఫ్ BTS. And I'm really proud that made one of my colleagues a fanboy. And you know who is that?
I think I know.
Yeah, it's Mr. Yashraj.
Yeah, I love the Dynamite and Butter very much.
Yeah, and they have released the new single Permission to Dance.
Okay.
Yeah, please
So
reach
well,
out to that song.
not only about BTS, Paddu. Like I have seen many of the girls are like they want the K drama. They are very much addicted to K drama. Like, what's the element that is very much attracting them? Like, what would you say that? Which
Um,
element is more?
like the main thing in K dramas is the storyline. Like they had a unique storyline.
Okay.
Like they have a fantasy dramas where the alien comes to Earth and lives like a human for about 400
Oh.
years and many more. And a mermaid came onto the Earth for a man. So these kind of unique stories they come up with their drama. So we people get connected to those kind of storylines, and especially the food.
Yeah.
Oh my God. While I'm
Acha.
describing the food, I just got hungry here. Like they had like uh, they had different kinds of food they have uh, using, like
Okay.
bibimbap, gimbap, jajangmyeon, ramyeon, and
Wow.
etc. And especially soju. It's their official alcohol, which is made in Korea.
Okay.
It's very cheap when they compare it to water. So whenever they are bored, they get the soju with their friends, and whenever they're chilling out, they'll drink soju. So it's their
Okay.
manual, the ritual, like having the soju and seeing those kinds of food in the dramas. We get addicted. Like we have to experience the food.
Acha, acha. Like those simple and special elements are very much touchy to the girls, or maybe I would say the fans who are like who just start, they can't uh, get out of it, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And I really addicted to those K dramas. I've been watching for about 5 years, I think so.
Oh.
Uh,
So Vidya,
Oh,
I guess మనం కొరియా గురించి ఏమైనా తెలుసుకోవాలన్నా we can just contact Paddu and we will be having a guide
yeah,
or
sure. Yes.
yeah, yeah. She was telling all those names అంత perfect గా నాకైతే అసలు
ah,
వామ్మో, really.
I guess పద్దుని కొరియా తీసుకెళ్ళి వదిలినా she won't be like having a new kind
She'll
of
survive
environment.
happily. Yeah,
Easily
I,
adapt and survive.
yeah. I just
Hmm.
remember when you said alien and mermaid. First K-drama I've ever watched is My Girlfriend is an Alien.
Yeah, that one is Chinese, I think. So my girlfriend is an alien. My
Oh,
uh,
my
my
bad.
love from Star. Yeah, my love from Star is an alien genre drama.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So quite a different theme of the Korean.
Uh,
Actually, I was really impressed by the Korean storyline and cinematography. I have watched movies like Train to Busan, the zombie
yes,
movie. I guess everyone would have watched that, and also the Parasite, the Oscar-winning Parasite,
yes, yes,
which defines everything. I guess it's almost like the directors or the people who are involved in the Korean cinema or the shows, they are very much different from the other zoners. They just implement what they think. So that's very much special about them, isn't
yes.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 And there are
Yeah.
different climatic conditions over there. We can see the
Uh,
change of climate within the change of behavior, like the change of characteristic in the dramas. We can see the nature, and they are very tradition towards their culture.
okay. So yeah, Paddu, I believe that everyone and every person has a hero in his own life, as you say in Korean dramas also. We all are the fans of Korean actors. I guess they have a lot of
Yeah,
praise. So
Yes.
yeah, so I guess that our own story is also a kind of great and grand movie itself, kada?
yeah.
So what's the heroic part of your life where you felt like a true winner, like a winning moment in your life,
Oh, typical
like
question.
a special action sequence అంటారు కదా మన జీవితంలో కూడా అలాంటివి కొన్ని ఉంటాయి. సో అలాంటిది ఏమన్నా?
uh, Basically, I'm not that heroic character.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't get into actions. I'll just be move aside and be quiet a little.
Mm.
Uh, and I don't have any that kind of memories in my life. I'm just remembering, I had this a long-term memory loss where when time passes, I'll forget the moments and the memories I've
Okay.
experienced. And I think you know very well, yes.
Yeah, yeah, I can
Yeah.
now comprehend that.
Yeah, I
Okay.
was just remembering. I think I hadn't done any that kind of heroic actions.
But I believe
Oh,
that that your achievements are itself your winning movements, I guess.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I guess
it,
Paddu is, see, Vidya Paddu is like she's active in all the aspects, and she's she takes
oh
up
my
things
God.
very seriously and hardworking. I like
Yeah,
that character.
I take only something seriously, and
Mm.
I want to do what I wish. I never do what some people ask me to do. I'll never
Mm.
do what others say. I'll do whatever I want. And in that sense, I'll be very strict and serious to myself. So that makes me active. That shows my
Yeah,
active. Mm.
and that's the heroic quality, I would say, because
Yeah.
hero
Exactly.
never yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's think like that.
So yeah, Paddu, we see that you're quite independent in your thoughts and strong in your ideas. So I believe that like it's all restricted to a men's owner, but I guess that women should also enter into the aspect of entrepreneurship, and I think women should take up this step ahead, like in our circles, I guess. So what's your opinion on this? How do you see entrepreneurship in the next few days or the next coming up generation?
Yes, I wish more female entrepreneurs to be grown up and successfully. I was trying to be that kind of a genre, like I want to be start a new startup where I could
Yeah.
less the unemployment in our country. So previously, I saw an article like there
Mm.
are a lot of unemployment percentage in India. So it was rapidly growing up. So we invent a new kind of organization, new kind of businesses and entrepreneurships. So we can get those unemployed people to be employed, right? So
Yes.
Yeah.
I just thought of decreasing the percentage of the unemployment in our country. So yeah, it's our responsibility to make our country develop, right?
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's very inspiring
and
for all of us.
yes, and we are still now developing country. And I don't think while I was a child, I heard this word, India is a developing country, India is a developing country. So now I want to change that the developing to developed country, an updated
Yeah.
country. So I thought our youngsters are the future entrepreneurs, right?
Yes,
And
exactly. They are.
yeah, yes, I think the entrepreneurs in our young age should take a step forward to make the world, to make our India developed and to reduce the percentage of unemployment. So that's what I thought all these days, and I was working all through these ideas like how to start a new startup and how to gain success, like uh, giving opportunity for others to get employed. So that's the main theme. All our youngsters should keep in our mind.
Yes, that's really inspiring, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, it's very good. I want to ask you a question, Padu here. So,
Yeah.
startup anna oka company like entrepreneurship anna sare, firstly undalsina important quality patience
Yes.
and determination. So, how do you ఏమైనా టిప్స్ ఉన్నాయి యువర్ స్ట్రాటజీ నువ్వేం ఫాలో అవుతావు నీ ప్లాన్స్ ఏంటి
So I believe in myself and the idea I've chosen. So if you can't believe in you, no one can believe in you. Isn't it
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
correct? If you
యా
can't
యా
believe in your own idea, you can't grow up. Even if that's the great idea, you can't grow up. You can't believe when you can't believe in yourself.
యా
So and trust also compared to the like determination and like having a great idea, just trust in the idea and trust in the market so that you
Yes,
can
that
gain
matters.
more success. And also passion matters. Without having any interest of doing this kind of stepping to the business, without having any interest, you can't gain success. So
Exactly.
in my view, I think if you are not interested, you can't do anything. You have to be well prepared and you have a very own passion about what you want to do. You can gain success within no time, or it may take time. It depends on our luck and the time. That's it.
యా ట్రూ
So yeah, this really summarizes a lot from you, Madhu. I guess this would be inspiring to everyone who would be hearing this, and they will also be like thinking the new way apart from being a 9 to 5 job holders, and they would turn up to be the future entrepreneurs of the country, and
Yes.
especially the women entrepreneurs. I would like to say.
Yeah, I wish there were maybe a lot of women entrepreneurs in the future.
Yes, exactly, and I want to see that happening soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna spell you all.
ఓకే
Wingardium Leviosa.
ఓకే ఓకే మేమందరం ఆల్రెడీ గాల్లో ఉన్నాం హ్యాపీయా
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was flying.
Okay.
చాలా కష్టపడ్డాలి కామ్ డౌన్ ఇంకా ఓకే వెల్ పద్దు సో ఇప్పుడు హ్యారీ పాటర్ మీద క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను వాట్ వుడ్ బి యువర్ రియాక్షన్ ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఎ లెటర్ ఫ్రమ్ హాగ్వర్ట్స్ హ్యావింగ్ అన్ ఇండియన్ థీమ్ మళ్ళీ సో
Oh my God.
విచ్
Oh,
క్యారెక్టర్ వుడ్ యు చూస్ కూడా చెప్పు
I'll choose the Hermione Granger character
ఐ గెస్
because
Oh.
she is very independent in herself. and she believes in her. Yeah, I'll choose Hermione Granger. And you know what? While I was watching the Harry Potter series, there's an Indian name I've noticed that Padma and
Parvati.
Parvati. Oh my God! I just
Yeah,
excited.
yeah.
I just excited that oh my God, my name is there in the Harry Potter series. I just amazed like there's an Indian name in Harry Potter. I was
And that
excited that my name, that took
and
my
that
name.
yeah.
And
Yeah,
if
actually,
I'm not wrong, I think one of the girls will just be the date of Harry Potter to the prom.
Yeah. Those
yeah,
were the
yeah,
partners.
that girl.
Yeah, those were the
Mm,
partners of Harry and Ron in the Goblet of
yeah,
Fire.
Goblet of Fire.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can relate to that. Means I just lost the thought of that.
So we once we remember, we won't forget that till our life ends.
Yeah. And one more thing, Padu. Like the theme, you're forgetting the theme, the Indian theme. What would how would it change? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's like in the story we've seen the invisible world. So, but in Indian
ah,
theme, we'll see the visible one,
okay.
but with
Maybe
the
that.
strict orders.
Okay, the spells also will be in Sanskrit, I guess. So that would be more interesting.
Yeah, that's quite interesting.
So, Padu, that was an amazing convo with you. So we are done with the questions, these questions, but not the main fun part of the question. Fun part. So yeah,
Oh.
it's now time for the Kurkur convo. I guess the name is a bit weird, but I will tell you what it actually means. Well, Kurkur convo is a crisp and spicy convo where you are into a rapid fire, and we would be asking you some questions, and you have to be fast as you can.
Okay.
So yeah.
Oh,
So are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay.
okay, so I'll take up first few questions and then Yash will continue. Okay. Okay. So first question: Indian or Italian food?
Indian.
Day or night?
Oh, I'm an evening person.
Okay.
Okay. Good. So who's your favorite superhero and why?
um, my superhero was Thor. You know, the
Yeah,
Marvel
Thor.
and
Yeah.
Thor. Yeah, and he had that power of lightning, the thunder. He has the, I think he's the most hardest one in the Marvel universe.
ఓకే
Yeah.
గైస్ మీరు తెలుగులో చూసారా మావల్ తెలుగులో చూసారా మావల్ కామిక్స్
సో కామిక్స్ అయితే చూడలేదు.
అంటే కామిక్స్ ఐ గెస్ లైక్ మావల్ మూవీస్ తెలుగులో చూసారా ఎవరన్నా
చూసాను.
యా ఇన్ దట్ యాక్చువల్లీ దే కాల్ థార్ ఉరుముల్ దేవుడు సంథింగ్ ఐ గెస్
మెరుపుల
Yeah.
ధర మెరుపుల ధర
మెరుపుల్ ధర వావ్ దట్
God of
Yeah.
Thunder. Yeah, I
Funny.
used to laugh a lot while watching Telugu dubbed Marvel movies.
Yeah, they are quite funny.
So, like, we can't get that out of our mind.
those especially those words or the names that they use.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, shall I go to next question?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, your favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla.
Okay. What's your dream job?
My dream job. Don't feel weird, okay? Like, I want to taste the greatest food. Like,
Okay.
what's the most famous food in the special areas all over the world? నాకు వరల్డ్ అంతా ట్రావెల్ చేసి ది బెస్ట్ ఫుడ్ ని ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అది అది నా డ్రీమ్ జాబ్. అది ఉంటుందో లేదో కూడా తెలియదు ఆ జాబ్
Yeah,
అనేది.
untadi like something like
Vlogging,
food
food
blogger.
this is a
Food blogger they say, I guess.
Yeah,
మంచి job.
అదైతే ఎవరు అడగరు మనల్ని, నువ్వు తిన్నావా లేదా అది ఒకటి తప్ప ఇంకేం అడగరు, నువ్వు ఎంత వర్క్ చేసావు అని అయితే ఎవరు అడగరు. సో That
అది.
was amazing job.
Yeah.
కదా.
Nijam. Okay. So, your dream vacation or trip, do you like?
Yeah. I like hangouts with my friends, but I didn't start anything yet.
Okay.
I love the places where I can see the water. I love beach. I'm a beach lover.
Okay.
I can go to any place where I can see the water and beach. Yeah, I think it's Maldives, for example.
Maldives.
Yeah,
Yes.
beautiful.
Yes, beautiful.
And in our state, I think it's Araku, but I haven't yet visited.
Arku is very much fun. I would say that because I have been to Arku and I miss Arku very lot. So yeah, it's now my turn, Padu. So we have added a new element of rapid fire into our coffee and convo recently. So the new element is we will say the first word. So we will say the word, and the first thing that comes into your mind, you should say that. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so let's begin. Home.
My paradise.
Job.
Night shifts.
Fun.
Fun. Me only. I'm a very funny guy. No one knows that actually.
Acha. BBA.
Oh, my life changer.
Okay. Okay. Bestie.
My world, my everything.
BTS.
Oh my god. The biggest boy band that I have ever seen.
Okay. Success.
We can't describe success in one word.
Okay. Beauty.
Our inner peace.
Very true. I love this.
Yeah.
Kakinada.
My hometown.
Color.
Color blue.
Blue. Okay, so that's how we wrap up our rapid fire.
Okay, yeah. Thank
That was
you.
amazing.
Yeah, I had a great time with you guys, and I hope.
Wait, Patu, we are not done yet. We have some more elements to add.
So now, Paddu, this is like the special element of our show where you get to address some special person. Like ఎవరైనా ఒక person కి some special message ఇవ్వచ్చు. So it's your turn now.
A special person and name ledu, but I just want to say to all my colleagues, like we'll have a rock after this pandemic. Yeah, I would like to mention my bestie, Rekha, and to have to not to bother about what has gone in the past. So let's think better, bigger, and good. And I want to make her stay safe wherever she was. And I want to lead a happy life till the end, and I don't want to see her sad anymore.
Okay. So, well,
Yeah.
Rekha, this was for you. Padu is really thinking a lot about you and she really misses you a lot. So, if you're hearing this, please follow her advices and be happy and safe.
Yeah, I really wish all happiness to you, Rekha and Paddu as well, and everyone.
Yeah, Padu. So how was your experience with Coffee and Convo? How was like your first thoughts on Coffee and Convo?
It's actually great, like elantic conversation between our friends. It's like I thought, good idea. నేను ఎప్పుడు నా థాట్స్ షేర్ చేసుకోలేదు, బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం విత్ యూ కాఫీ అండ్ కాన్వో. I really like sharing my thoughts with you people. and I wish we could do more and more further.
Yeah, surely, Padu. We would be waiting to see you in the next episode too. We would be very happy to have you here again. So that was great having Padu with us. Thank you, Padu, for so much, like so much of your valuable thoughts and sharing so much with us. Like it was so personal, and I guess it was so knowledgeable for everyone who would be hearing this, and to everyone who could relate themselves to you. Being a BTS fan, being a Harry Potter fan, and being a future female entrepreneur, whatnot. I would say you are the mix of every aspect that we can consider, and that makes you really awesome. So thank you for that. Thank you for being our guest.
Thank you so much. And I forgot that I've got a name for you too, because
Okay.
you're also the creative genius. Like you are the incredible Yash.
This,
Like
this
you
okay.
had the thoughts coming from your mind time to time, and we can't imagine that it's a good idea. Like we can't imagine how that ideas may come from you.
It
Yeah,
just happened in a so thank you for that compliment. I'm really blushing now. Okay. So yeah, guys. So that was Paddu with us.
So guys, this convo was smooth as butter and powerful as dynamite. We'll be catching you up in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned to Coffee and Convo where the conversations get alive.